Hello, Isra.
Hello, Samir. How are you?
I am fine.
I am also fine.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
That is very good.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Let's study together.
Yes, sure.
Thank you, Samir.
Welcome, Isra.
I am studying English.
Wow! English is very important.
Yes, English is very useful.
Can you help me in English?
Yes, sure. I can help you.
Thank you so much, Isra.
You are welcome, Samir.
I have homework today.
What is your homework?
I have to write 10 sentences.
Okay, I will help you.
That is great.
Let's study together.
Yes, let's start now.
Okay, Samir, come here.